TRASSIR, founded in 2002, is a leading international developer of AI-powered video surveillance and security systems. Our in-house design solutions redefine security and automation, ensuring seamless integration, efficiency, and cost-effective results. The company's focus is on delivering intelligent, scalable solutions that offer seamless integration across various industry sectors. Manufacturing efficiency, workplace safety, external threat protection, emergency response and hazard detection. With its advanced AIoT platform, TRASSIR offers manufacturing and industrial facilities a unified solution to address a wide range of security, safety, and automation needs, streamlining operations across the board. Manufacturing efficiency, monitoring warehouse operations, tracking staff working hours, ensuring the presence of employees in the work area. Workplace safety, monitoring the wearing of protective clothing, helmets, and masks. Detecting improper posture, preventing people from entering unsafe or restricted areas in real time. External threat protection, monitoring access points using license plate and face recognition. Detecting unauthorized personnel or vehicles, preventing security breaches or intrusions into restricted areas. Emergency response and hazard detection. Early detection of potential hazards, such as smoke, fire, enabling immediate alerts and responses to ensure the safety of staff and assets. Join the future of manufacturing intelligence. Visit TRASSIR online or speak to our experts. Scan the QR code to learn more.